with eyesight. Oh my god, Mac. I always have to restart the song.
I need words to tell you about my pounding heart. $4 words that make a guy sound smart. Well, I guess that's why they invented Shakespeare. His articulations of a lover's palpitations are so keen. My bounty is as boundless as the sea. My love as deep the more I give to thee.
Oh, you sound so dreamy when you talk like Shakespeare.
A big vocabulary should be customary when you fall in love. La 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 la, you're a snowy dove.
La la la, prodigious birth of love.
La 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 la, hit hooray for Shakespeare. Sure as I am breathing, you can make Elizabethan language fun.
We are just like Romeo and Juliet. We're happy, young, and bubbling with love.
I can't wait to read the ending.
I can't either, but I'm sure it turns out real swell. I bet Romeo marries his Juliet
And they have a baby.
and make lots of friends. That's
Probably the way to play is.
They'll teach the torches how to burn real bright.
Hanging like a jewel upon the cheek of night.
Hark, what light through yonder window breaks.